Hello, little bookworms. My name is Miss Elena, and today I'm going on a train, and I'm bringing my luggage bag with me. Want to open it up and see what's inside? Let's do it. Let's open up my bag. I see some books. I'm so excited. These books are about Thomas the Train. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 books about Thomas the Train. But which one should we read first? I'm not sure. I know, we'll let Thomas decide. So we'll line all these books up and we'll let Thomas choose. Ready, set, go! It looks like Thomas picked this one first. It's called Go Train Go. Let's get reading. Here comes the judge in her big red hat. She has come to see the train show. Thomas will take the judge to the show. Hurry, Thomas, take me to the show. Take me there fast. Go, train, go. Clickety-clack, over a bridge. He was going so fast. He was going so fast, the judge lost her hat. Screech, go the brakes. Thomas goes slow. Slow, slow, slow he goes. Hurry, Thomas, we're running late, you know. Take me to the train show. Go, train, go. But Thomas must go slow. There is a cow on the track. Goes the cow. Peep, peep, goes Thomas. The cow moves back. Clickety-clack, Thomas the tank engine moves faster than fast. Screech, go the brakes. Thomas goes slow. Slow, slow, slow he goes. Don't stop, Thomas. Go, train, go. Don't stop now. I'm late for the show. But Thomas must go slow. There are logs on the track. The crane engine clears the logs. Clickety-clack, around the logs goes Thomas, faster than fast. There is mud up ahead, but Thomas cannot go slow. Thomas goes faster than fast. Into the mud, splish, splash. Thomas goes fast, past a town, fast, fast. Past a dog, faster still, fast at last. Nothing can stop him, nothing at all. No cow, no log, no mud, no dog. This is the fastest that Thomas can go. Screech, go the brakes. Good job, Thomas. We made it here at last. You are a little engine, but you go so fast. Here comes the judge. The train show begins. I like all the trains. You are all so fun. But the little blue muddy train is my favorite one. The end. Look, here comes James. He's going fast, 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 fast. And now he's going slow, slow, slow he goes. Fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow, slow he goes. I wonder which book Thomas will pick next. Ready, set, go! Thomas picked Blue Train, Green Train for us to read next. Up comes the yellow sun. Blue Train Thomas starts his run. Green Train Percy sees the sun. Now his busy run is done. Well done, Green Train. Have fun, Blue Train. Peep, peep, clickety-clack. Blue Train Thomas on the track. Load up the brown cows, white eggs, green plows. Load up the blue bikes, red wagons, orange trikes. Load up the new toys, gifts for little girls and boys. The sun is yellow, the sun is round. The sun makes shadows on the ground. The clouds are gone, the sun is back. Blue train slows down on the track. Unload the brown cows, white eggs, green plows. Unload the blue bikes, red wagons, orange trikes. Unload the new toys for happy little girls and boys. Down goes the yellow sun. Blue train Thomas's day is done. Home now to the shed. Peep, peep, the shed is where Thomas can sleep. Well done, blue train. Have fun, green train. Up peeps the white moon. Green train starts soon. Peep, peep, clickety-clack. Green train Percy on the track. Load up all the mail and unload along the rail. Boxes of all shapes and sizes, blue presents, red prizes. Green train Percy slows down. He picks some up and puts some down. Boxes of all shapes and sizes, blue presents, red prizes. The moon is round, the moon is white. The moon makes shadows in the night. Up peeps the yellow sun. Green train Percy now is done. Home now to the shed. Peep, peep, the shed is where Percy can sleep. Blue train sees the sun. Time again to start his run. Well done, green train. Have fun, blue train. The end. Here comes Percy. He is green. Let's put him on the green track. Next is James. He belongs on the red track because he is red. Now comes Thomas, and he is the color blue. Let's put him on the blue track. The next train is blue too. This is Gordon. He goes on the blue track with Thomas. Next up is Henry. Henry is the color green. He goes on the green track with Percy. Last but not least is Edward. Do you know what color Edward is? Yes, he is blue. Edward is the color blue. Great job putting all the trains on the right color track. We have 2 books left. Let's see which one Thomas chooses. Ready, set, go, Thomas! Thomas picked A Crack in the Track. Henry the green train had a boiler ache. Peep, peep, said Thomas. I can take the people where they want to go. Soon clouds gathered. The sky grew dark. Thunder rumbled. Plip, plop, clunk. Hail began to fall. Suddenly, Thomas stopped. The hail had made a crack in the track. The people climbed down from the coaches. They climbed up aboard Bertie and off he went. Suddenly, Bertie stopped. There in the road was a bright green toad. Bertie's driver called out, "There's a toad in the road. We will have to unload." That toad in the road caused a fuss on the bus. The people walked to another train station, but the trains were not running. Thomas was still stuck at the crack in the track. Percy was stuck there at Thomas's back. Gordon was stuck behind Thomas and Percy. James, with 2 freight cars, was in quite a hurry. The foolish freight cars refused to back up. "No, no, no," they said. "We will not go," they said. So no trains could move up and no trains could move back. They were stuck where they were at the crack in the track. The breakdown crew came to replace the broken track. The crew came with cranes. They sang while they worked. A crane is as good as a bus or a train. We'll fix up your track and we don't mind the rain. Finally, all the trains could move. They turned on the turntable and went back to work. At the station, the people asked Thomas, "Are you sure you can take us where we want to go?" "I thought there was nothing a train could not do," said Thomas. "But now I know that just is not true. I learned a big lesson from one little crack. A train is only as good as its track." We have some different tracks. This first track needs 2 trains. 1, 2. 2 trains. The next track needs 4 trains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trains on the track. This last track only needs 1 train. It's time for our last book. This one's called Stop, Train, Stop. Every day Thomas and his coaches puffed along, not too fast, not too slow, and stopped at every station. They stopped at Knapford, where a little boy waved. They stopped at Elsbridge, where a spotted cow mooed. They stopped at Hackenbeck. People got on, people got off. One morning, the little blue engine said, "I am tired of making stops. I am going to go from the start of the line to the end of the line without stopping." The little blue engine whizzed right by Knapford. The little boy hardly had time to wave. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Away went the train without looking back. Next, the little blue engine whizzed right by Elsbridge. The spotted cow hardly had time to moo. Then the train whizzed right by Hackenbeck. People did not get on, people did not get off. The train had gone all the way from the start of the line to the end of the line without stopping once. But something was wrong. The passengers were not happy, and neither was Thomas. He said, "I miss boys waving. I miss cows mooing. I miss people getting on and people getting off." So from then on, every day, Thomas traveled not too fast and not too slow, and stopped at every station. The end. Wow, we read all 4 books together. Thank you so much for reading with me and Thomas today. If you had fun, ask your grown-ups to subscribe so you don't miss the next books. And I'll see you all next time. Bye, little bookworms.